What's up, everyone? This is Rick with UTV Source, and this is the Evo Powersports Magnum Header for the Pro R. All right, so now that the Evo Powersports Magnum Header is installed, we can go over some of the benefits of this wonderful header that's made in the USA. First off, it is stainless steel. It is TIG welded. It has a 3/8 thick flange. It's not going to warp. When this thing gets hot, it's going to have a beautiful color. And the performance gain on it, well, it's everything. It's a 4-in-1 with a Venturi-style collector. It's got a twist in it, so everything is just flowing. It's free flowing through there right into your exhaust. Now, you can run this header with a factory exhaust, or you can match it with the Evo Powersports Magnum exhaust.